Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use Harbor Freight's ratchet straps. Uh, in reality, I'm showing you how to use all ratchet straps as long as they are configured the same way as these ones. So enjoy this if you are confused on how to use them, because there's a certain way to use them. Show you guys how to do it right. We're going to set up this ratchet strap from one rib of this roof rack to the other. And so we got one S hook over here, one S hook over there. What you do is you run one end through the slot right here, and then you take it through. Make sure you don't get any bends or folds, and then you run it through the top, and then you are going to run the entire length of your nylon strap here. Oh, we got one little loop there. Alright, now we got some tension built. We're gonna go ratchet it down, and it'll start to secure whatever you're strapping down. In this case, my roof rack will just be ripped out of the roof, but we're gonna get a little tension on here, and then we'll lock it in place, and that's how you lock it. And then to release it, you just push this button, and you should be able to feed it back through. There we go. Practice a couple times before you go out and strap anything down, but yeah, that's how you use a ratchet strap. This is where you'd lock it typically, but I'm just showing you how to disengage the strap. A little close-up action there. Just move it all the way forward as far as possible, and then you should be able to loosen the tension on it. That's all there is to it, really. This is the Harbor Freight ratchet strap. My first one, it locked up, but I may have misused it. So I just went ahead and wanted to test it a few times, and I figured I would make a video so I could show you guys how to use it too, because I guess there's a wrong way to use them. But maybe I didn't use it wrong, I don't know. But I hope you enjoyed that video, and it helps you out moving, whatever, strapping down, whatever. Have a good one. Peace out.